How can I find where Python is installed on Windows? I want to find out my Python installation path on Windows. For example, how can I find where Python is installed?
In your Python interpreter, type the following commands. Also, you can club all these and use a single line command. Open cmd and enter following command.
If you have Python in your environment variable, then you can use the following command in CMD or PowerShell. Or for Unix environment. Command line image.
It would be either of C:\Python36, C:\users/your logged in user /optata/local /programs /Python/Python36.
If you need to know the installed path under Windows without starting the Python interpreter, have a look in the Windows registry. Each installed Python version will have a registry key in either hklm/software/python/python core /version number /install path, kq/software/python/python core /version number /install path. In 64-bit Windows, it will be under the WoW 6432 node key. hklm/software/wow 6432 node /python/python core /version number /install path.
Simple way is open cmd, type where Python in cmd.